Gunships will be flying around.
He's coming back. He's coming.
Ladies and gentlemen, as discussed before, as far as safety goes, the MH-53 will be coming in next. So please take off all your hats, secure any items, especially children, that can blow away.
Especially children that can blow away.
Oh, way to go! Bye-bye.
Hi.
Daddy's taking pictures too.
Oh yeah.
I'll just make you a copy of the video.
There's going to be the off spray with the wings turned. It's like an airplane that it turns this way, the wings turn to the end.
Daddy, say hi. Shiny.
Come back, wherever you are. Needs to be fair.